Scientists from McMaster University have discovered that your eyes could reveal how fast you're aging and how healthy your heart is. By analysing retinal scans, genetic data, and blood samples from more than 74,000 people, they found that individuals with simpler and less branched eye vessels were more likely to face cardiovascular problems, and showed biological signs of faster aging. That's because less branched vessels mean blood flows less efficiently through the tissues, signaling damage and wear in the vascular system. This breakthrough suggests that a simple eye scan could one day become a powerful, non-invasive tool to detect aging and heart disease early, long before symptoms appear. Researchers also found certain proteins in the blood that are linked to aging. In particular, MMP12 and IgGFC receptor IIB appear to play a role in the gradual damage of blood vessels. Scientists hope that by targeting these proteins, future drugs could help slow down the aging process. In short, our eyes may not only reflect the soul, as the saying goes, but also serve as a window into our biological age and heart health. Keep up with the latest science. Subscribe now